Hi everyone, I'm Katie Potts, and today I'm going to be showing you the website National Geographic Kids. On this site, students can play games, they can watch videos, they can explore about the world around us, they learn about animals, and honestly, so much more. National Geographic is a very popular tool used within elementary schools. I remember back when I was in elementary school, National Geographic was always one of the more popular sites. I really enjoyed going on it. I felt like I learned so much about new information or built upon information I already had obtained. The purpose of National Geographic is to teach kids about the planet and the world around us, to teach them about our communities, our environment, and really so much more. For example, this page right here, I clicked the Explore tab and up popped all of the countries that a student, if they were curious about, could learn. If they had a project on a certain country, say France, they could come, click the France tab, look at all of these gorgeous pictures, scroll down, they get fast facts that they could use, geography, the culture there, the type of money, what the flag looks like. It just gives you so much information for students to utilize. The National Geographic, it's a very helpful tool for educators to use inside the classrooms for their lessons. A really good thing about National Geographic is that it's a free website. So a teacher, if they wanted to show a video on a lesson that they were doing, they could project the videos for their class for free, which is great because everybody likes free stuff. If a teacher who has a student who's classified as gifted and who specializes in, for example, science, teacher could go to the Explore, click on the science page. The teacher or the student could come on, and up on here pops a variety of different activities, experiments. Like this ghost glove one right here is really cool. The experiment gives you an outline of what you will be needing, gives you amazing step-by-step instructions which are simple to read. Like example, this one says pour 3 tablespoons of vinegar into the glass. Pretty simple. Gives you pictures to follow along with too. And if you scroll down to the bottom, it tells you what you shouldn't be expecting and what is going on and why, so that you're able to follow along and make sure that you are completing your experiment correctly. Go back again. There's just so much more experiments to do, create a groovy lava lamp. Sounds pretty cool. Again, instructions. So yeah, it's just a really cool tool to utilize inside the classroom, or even if a student wanted to go home and do an at-home experiment, they could totally do that using this site. So the target audience for National Geographic Kids is, well, obviously kids, but it's so much more than that. It's kids or students who are curious or passionate about an educational related topic. It's just this animals tab. It's all these different animals that they can go on and learn about. If a student had a project and wanted to learn more about the United States, for example, up pops every single United States, like it did the country. Again, clicking on it, looking at photos and facts and history and flags. So it's just really cool. The site's just unique because it covers a wide range of educational topics for students, especially ones who are classified as gifted and have a topic of interest that is on this site. They can utilize it to go on and learn more about it, obtain more information, and play around. It's just an awesome resource to utilize and broaden. And I know, especially as a future educator, National Geographic is a site that I will be using a lot. So yeah, that's just a little bit of a breakdown of National Geographic Kids. I hope you all liked it, and I hope you all used it the way I did when I was in school. So